Hey guys, it's Deborah and today I'm working on my April challenge that I've given to Nat Williams and anyone else who wants to join in. So in this challenge you have to use something metal, some game pieces, flowers or botanicals, tissue paper, lace and ribbons. So what I did the other day was I pulled out a whole heap of playing cards that I have. So they're all different sorts. I inked around the edges of them and I put tissue paper down on them. So I just had lots of serviettes out and just started madly sticking down tissue paper. So I've ended up with a whole range of different looks. Today I'm going to be adding the next one. So they're the game pieces. You can also use tokens and anything from a board game, anything from like a Monopoly set. You could use the chance cards, whatever you've got really. Don't go out and buy anything if you want to participate. It closes at the end of April 2020, so feel free to jump on even after that really if you just want to complete it. I will be sending out a small rack to the winner and I will choose the winner randomly for those people who either put up a YouTube channel, and you will have to let me know, leave a comment in the video, in this video below, or who put it on a Facebook group. We have Nat has a Facebook group called Paper Possibilities Crazy Crafters. I'll put the link below so that you'll be able to link to that group if you would like to join us. And also have a look at Nat's channel. I'll put her link below as well because she does some really good things on that. So I could just put a little collage on there. I'll probably put that on top rather than below. So when I finish with these, I'll just go into my box of handmade ephemera, and then I'll use them to put into a junk journal. There you go. Only got like 150 to go. No, not that many. I don't really have an aim of numbers, you know, and a lot of numbers in mind for this one. It was just a challenge. Oh, I haven't used any ribbon. I forgot the ribbon. Okay, got a bit of ribbon here. Oh, that's right. I'll punch a bigger hole. I'm using my crocodile big bite just to punch a hole and use some ribbon as a little tie to satisfy the criteria. Don't want to get into trouble for not meeting my own requirements. Actually, that brown actually looks quite good because it's tying in with the photo turn. Bring it up to the screen. Oh, hang on, so you can see it. There you go. Isn't that lovely? And that'd be a nice little embellishment. I could even put a piece of writing paper on the back of it and create a journaling card. It could sit happily in a pocket or whatever. I could bunch it up with some other tags, whatever I want to do with it. See if I can make some more now. Maybe this one here, because I just used the back of the bird on this one, and when I did it I thought, oh, that's not very good, is it? And then I thought, well, I can just cover it up, can't I? When I get on to the next section I can cover the bird up. And I might replicate that photo turn because I've got a little photo there. These are new for Tim Holtz. He's only just bought them out, and I do have a video, in fact a couple of videos going through the various new stuff that he's bought out, but I could clip that onto there. Actually, maybe I'll clip it onto the top of the card. That'd be the place for it. Actually, I'm going to put it up the side here. Oh, I'll clip the ribbon on with it. I just had an idea that I'd clip that, use that clip to clip the ribbon on. I'll stick the ribbon down as well though, because otherwise it won't stay. Oh, it might. The clip's pretty strong actually. There you go. Oh, that's even cuter. Got a little loop on there now. So I think that's all I'm going to do right now, but I will continue on and get these others done. So I've got lots of little embellishments, and hopefully you'll join in the challenge for a chance to win. I'm not sure what it's going to be now, but I'll find something. I've got plenty to send out to people. And there's another little one finished. I hope you are all doing well and doing lots of crafting. This is Deborah. Thanks for joining me. Cheers.